Ano pa ba? Basta anything about useful thing na pwede mong magamit, 'di ba? And could attribute a value. So yun yung
Have Kosygin in his place. The mastermind behind this plot is Colonel Volgin of the Gru. He has control over another secret weapons research facility much like this one, OKB.
What? Nakalimutan ako dun sa... dito.
Move!
Sa 4 ba nauuso yung Type 7? Hindi. Simula doon sa umpisang Fatal Frame Type
Long road ahead of you. The Tanakh's true domain lies over the mountains that border Plainsong, home of the Utaru tribe.
This isn't Tanakh's territory?
yes, executable, hindi rin siya gagana kay Windows o kay Mac kasi nga hindi siya executable dun sa platform na yon. So, 'di ba, instead na parang, you know, IGN daw, binaktak nila yung review. Kaya nga eh. Di ba? Saan nakita gano'n? Giorno. Biglang backpedal. Ano yun? Di ba? Tapos sasabihin nila, ay kasi po, we don't control, blah, blah. Yes. No? Pero ngayon pag sinabihan kang norm, parang shit. No? Parang lahat eh. Wait lang guys ah. Share lang ako. And then, mag-start na tayo doon sa topic talaga. Promise.
Oh,
I have no love for this place. Let's go.
Out of 10, tapos baglang 2 weeks after 7, ano na lang, nasa na yung credibility doon, di ba? Nasa na yung credibility doon, pag ganyan, black. Na nila is more like digital signal compare before na analog signal siya. 'Di ba? And then ito pa, ito something din siya na parang I don't know, medyo niche.
Cause of death, postmortem.
redeem lang kayo. Oh. Ganun ang meta. Oh, ilang oras na tayo? Ilang oras na tayo sa walang katuturang podcast. Joke lang. Ang company na parang capitalist oriented, 'di ba? Na parang I don't know, I mean masyado ding malalim yung discussion na
And the commander?
No. I could only convince a few. He isn't yet aware we left.
We have banners from all three.
kan, 'di ba, maging retro games na yung mga modern games ngayon, madali na lang mabalikan yung mga 'yon. Pero para dun sa mga games prior dun sa technology ng regardless kung ano man 'yan, no? Basta nilagay ko lang PS kasi I mean, yun yung parang masyadong malapit para sa atin, no? So, platform. So, tayo yung interaction na valuable para sa atin, no? Hindi yung parang someone na dinictate lang ng someone kasi gusto niya. And then parang siguro dahil nagkaroon ng alam mo yun, cadence.
I'll carry them with me. Into the Forbidden West. Someone once told
ang area, dito try mong ubusin siya and then you proceed. Dito hindi, meron siyang level of tacticality. 'Di ba? Merong tacticality kahit paano. Ayun.
I do. We'll see how it goes.
Ako siya.
That was our accord with the Karja.
I'm not Karja. I came here on my own to ask for rite of passage.
But they opened the gate for you, did they not?
Oh, 上手ね。ネイルか？もっと上手に弾けるようになったら。
Yan, hello. Afternoon, everyone. Narinig niyo ba ako?
Hirap yan. No? Parang lahat talaga i-filter. Kapag nanalo daw ang Dragons, ay grabe siya. Hirap yan. No? Parang lahat talaga i-filter. Kapag nanalo daw ang Dragons, ay grabe siya.
Uy, namatay. Ako sakali mag-ulit, hindi na mahaba yung game.
You know what? Let's give some references. Kasi yung itong topic natin na hindi pa natin nasisimulan. Dami ko na sinasayaan mong yung mga tao magkaroon ng kopya nun, irregardless no, kung binili ba nila o hindi. 'Di ba? Kasi nga nasa blockchain eh. 'Di ba? Nasa blockchain. So, na-access siya ng tao. Pang version and control. So, that's why yung archiving ng mga games dati, yung mga source code, tsaka yung mga art asset, mahirap. 'Di ba? Pansinin niyo may mga games na
to say you forced me.
I see smoke. Why? I'll tell you. 6 months ago, the world almost ended in Meridian. It's getting worse every day, much worse. Calling down storms.
no? I don't know kung saan nila nakukuha yung kanilang income, no? Or baka dahil sustentado pa sila or what. Pero dito sa atin, no? For you to have at least
Nice angle sa piano kanina, kaya nga eh. Ayan, kita yung ano.
I don't know what a Nord.
What's this? This Talon guy might still be in Chainscrape. I could have. Banged up, but breathing. And waiting up ahead for you.
But I was supposed to have 3 escorts.
Yun, bigla naging 7. Ano na? Diba? Ano na? Nasaan ang credibility doon? Alam na. Diba? Kaya yung mga ganong giorno, X agad. No, ng preservation. Piracy is very ano siya situational, no, na take kasi parang
Oh, baba mo pa yung camera. Ang ina mo. Ay, naku, pangit naman ang angulo ng camera.
I think, kailan ba yun? That was 2015 ata yun. Tapos, magkano pang palitan ng HKD nun? Tapos, magkano din yung entrance? I don't give a shit, no? About that. Pero yung campaign na Infinite Warfare, totally enjoyed it. No, hindi siya yung best story ever.
I see you're a practiced hunter. Took you less time to kill those scroungers than vanguards to kill one bristleback.
Colonel Volgan is a very suspicious man. He decided Adam wasn't the right person for this mission.
And you were.
Yes,
Why?
because I can do things.
May halos okay dahil dito.
We'll see.
No? Para kay Nintendo. Kumbaga parang lost in sale 'yon sa kanila, sa side nila. Kaya minsan hindi mo rin masisi, no, na may sabi mo na truthful yung someone na 'yon, no, dun sa scores na binibigay nila based on their kung ano ba sila dun sa platform like sa Metacritic, no. Kung critic ka, 'di ba? Nagamit ko na this year yung sa akin. So parang yung next year, hindi ko sure kung pwede na siyang gamitin ng January. So something na itatanong.
Your mission. You're not even armed.
Boss!
Pero simula naman dun sa 3, meron na talagang multiple eh. Mas marami nga lang dito sa 4. Sa 3,
They might have a camp up that way.
Come for that beer after. Get a pint in her. Wasn't expecting you to swing by.
Since when do I do what's expected?
Can't complain. What can I say?
Alright, I should find whoever's in charge here. But first, I could resupply at my stash.
ito yung Fatal Frame na may multiple protagonists. Yes.
This wasn't part of the plan. What happened to Adam?
What's your code name?
It's Snake.
Snake, huh?
Chain. Ang term nila doon is minting. So, ibig sabihin, instead of uploading, ang gagawin na ni Sony ngayon, this time around, is to mint
All goes well, I might have a chance to actually see the mask being made.
money involved, syempre. So, we buy, you purchase yung game do sa platform, and then, syempre, the platform, nasa kanila yung repository ng content.
Hey, Milda. Milda. I took some of your stew last time I went into the wilds. Kept me going for a week. Felt like I could have put a strider in a sleeper hold.
Yun.
No? Anyway, so I think, no, from some of you already played Metaphor, pero ako kasi wala pa. No, hindi ko pa nasimulan. Yung demo pa lang yun na
Ng volume 2 by next year. Sana. Pwede natin ma-stream yung MGS4. Pero kasi